Little Firefly Twinkle loved the night best of all. The stars in the sky were so beautiful. Twinkle wished Twinkle could bring some of that starry magic down to the forest floor. Elder Beetle Lumina noticed little Firefly Twinkle's quiet musing. Lumina had a wise old shell that glowed softly in the moonlight. Lumina asked Twinkle what made Twinkle glow with such thoughtful light. Twinkle shared Twinkle's wish for more stars down low. Lumina smiled gently. Lumina said they could make paper stars. Paper stars were special shapes folded from paper, Lumina explained. Making them with a wish could bring a little bit of star magic closer. Twinkle felt excited and Lumina's idea glowed brighter in Twinkle's mind. Lumina found some thin strips of luminous paper. First, take one strip of paper, Lumina instructed softly. Make a little knot at one end, pulling gently to form a pentagon shape. Twinkle carefully tied a tiny knot. Then, wrap the long tail of the paper strip around the pentagon, following the edges, Lumina guided. Wrap it neatly and tightly. Each wrap helped the pentagon get a little puffy. When you reach the end of the strip, tuck the remaining tail into one of the folds, Lumina showed. Make sure it's tucked in well. Now you have a puffy little pentagon. The magic part is next, Lumina whispered. Using your fingernail or a gentle press, push in on each of the 5 sides of the pentagon. Push towards the center. Slowly, carefully. As you press, the little pentagon begins to pop outwards. It begins to form points. Keep pressing each side gently. And there it was. A beautiful 5-pointed paper star. It looked just like a little star fallen from the sky. Twinkle carefully folded another strip. And another. Lumina and Twinkle folded many luminous paper stars together. They filled a small, clear jar with the glowing paper stars. It looked like a little jar of captured starlight. They called it their wishing star jar. Lumina explained that each paper star held the gentle wish put into it while folding. Twinkle wished for soft light for everyone at night. Lumina wished for quiet peace in the forest. They put the wishing star jar under the oldest tree. The paper stars glowed softly from inside the jar. Other night creatures saw the gentle glow. It made them feel calm and happy. The paper stars brought a little bit of sky magic down low, just as Twinkle had wished. Making beautiful things with care felt special. And sharing the gentle light brought warmth to the night. The wishing star jar sat, a reminder of wishes and shared light. Maybe you can try folding paper stars too. Imagine your wish glowing inside as you fold. Close your eyes now, and perhaps you can dream of soft lights and twinkling wishes. Sweet dreams, little one, and remember that even the smallest things made with care can hold a special kind of magic. If you liked this story, please give us a like and subscribe for more gentle adventures. Tell us in the comments what you would wish for in a paper star.